She spoke as though nothing had happened. 彼女は何もなかったかのように話しました。She spoke as though nothing had happened. Your dress is very nice. あなたのドレスはとても素敵です。Your dress is very nice. I want some water. 水が欲しいです。I want some water. I'm very glad to see you. あなたにお目にかかれて私は大変嬉しいです。I'm very glad to see you. Wait for a moment outside the room. 部屋の外でちょっとの間待って。Wait for a moment outside the room. There is an orange on the table. テーブルの上にオレンジがあります。There is an orange on the table. Will you show me your photo album? アルバムを見せてくれませんか? Will you show me your photo album? I helped her wash dishes. 私は彼女が皿を洗うのを手伝いました。I helped her wash dishes. I don't know whether to turn left or right. 左へ曲がったらいいか、右へ曲がったらいいかわかりません。I don't know whether to turn left or right. We lost the game. 私たちは試合に敗れました。We lost the game. He seems honest. 彼は正直そうです。He seems honest. It's not so far. そんなに遠くありません。It's not so far. I had hoped to save more money. もっとお金を貯めたかったのですが、I had hoped to save more money. Fruits have seeds in them. 果実の中には種があります。Fruits have seeds in them. How long is he going to stay in Japan? あの人はどのくらい日本に滞在の予定ですか? How long is he going to stay in Japan? Nothing is missing. 失うものは何もないです。Nothing is missing. He is crazy about baseball. 彼は野球が大好きです。He is crazy about baseball. I forgot to lock the storeroom. 物置に鍵をかけるのを忘れました。I forgot to lock the storeroom. My uncle gave me a camera. おじさんが僕にカメラをくれました。My uncle gave me a camera. He was standing. 彼は立っていました。He was standing. Do you like black cats? あなたは黒い猫が好きですか? Do you like black cats? Put this sentence into English. この文を英語に訳しなさい。Put this sentence into English. Take off your socks, please. 靴下を脱いでください。Take off your socks, please. Can you help me? 私を助けてくれますか? Can you help me? The box is almost empty. その箱はほとんど空です。The box is almost empty. I'm glad you enjoyed it. 喜んでいただけてよかったです。I'm glad you enjoyed it. You'd better not go. あなたは行かない方が良い。You'd better not go. We usually have lunch at noon. 私たちは普通正午に昼食を食べます。We usually have lunch at noon. He took off his glasses. 彼はメガネを外しました。He took off his glasses. Not all children like apples. どの子供もリンゴが好きだとは限らない。Not all children like apples. I have an idea. 考えがあります。I have an idea. My sister is having a baby in June. 姉は6月に出産の予定です。My sister is having a baby in June.